Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garden this morning with another product review. And if you watch the full video, I'll have a surprise for you. Let's go. So the company Link sent me a irrigation timer and we're going to review it. I'm going to show you how it works, how to install it, and what the features are. So out of the box, we have batteries, we have instructions, we have a washer, and we have the actual machine itself. So first thing I'm going to do is put the batteries in. Takes two AAA batteries. We have them installed. And there we go. It has a little film over it. So I'm going to pull it off like that. And hopefully you can see it says off. So let's read the instructions to see how to set it. Here we go. Okay, on the top, this is where your hose tap goes. This is where the hose itself goes. You have a dial. You have a large LCD screen rather, and you have the outlet or where the hose goes. You have a delay button. You have an on button, and you have a OK manual button. The first thing I want to do is to set the time on it. So hopefully it will tell me. So I want to program the timer. So I'm going to turn the dial to set clock. And right now it says 12:31 p.m. and it is definitely not that. So let's see what time it is. It's 9:23. So we're going to go down and we're going to click OK. We're going to go down and we're going to set it for 9:24 and click OK. So the clock says 9:24 and we're good. Okay, so I've turned the dial to start time. Right now it says 8 a.m. So I think that's okay. So I'm going to click OK with that. And then for the minutes, it says 0. So I'm going to click OK on that. And I'm going to go back to on. So now the start time for the next system, irrigation time frame rather, is 8 o'clock. Now we're going to set how long. So we're going to switch over to the how long area. Hopefully you can see it. And I want it to run for about an hour. So I'm okay with it saying an hour here. So we're going to press that. We're going to, on the minutes portion, zero it out. Okay, so we have it zeroed out, and we're going to press OK with that. And then we're going to go back to the on position. Next, we're going to do how often. So we're going to turn the button to the dial rather to how often. And here it says every 1 day. So basically every day. We're going to change that. So it's every 3 days. So every 3 days, it will come on and water. We're going to click OK. And then we're going to turn it back to the on position so that it's accepted. So we have set the timer for it to come on at 8 o'clock. And every 3 days, so 3 days from now, this will come on at 8 o'clock. And it will run for an hour. So we have programmed it. Now I'm going to install it. And okay, we're here at the outside, one of the outside pumps on spigots rather. And this one is also where I have my drip irrigation system at. So as you can see, it's connected. And I just finger tightened it and tested it, and it works. So if you watched the video this far, you're probably thinking to yourself, what is the surprise? Well, this video is going to air on August 20th. That's a Tuesday. And as such, a contest will be held at the same time. All you have to do, forgive me one moment, I have sweat running in my eye. All you have to do is to leave me a comment, and on August 28th I will go live and determine who is the winner of the contest. The company sent me not one, not two, but 3 of the automatic timers, and I'm going to give to one of you a free, no cost to you at all, timer. And again, the rules are just leave me a comment and I will use the YouTube software to randomly pick the comment, and the person with that comment will be gifted one of the timers. If you're interested, go ahead and leave me a comment. So I would like to thank you for coming along with me and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. I can grow a lot of vegetables and stuff by myself, but I cannot grow a channel without your help. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, take a moment to consider doing so. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps my channel to grow, and you just might find it enjoyable and like it. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you like my video, chances are that your friends and family will as well. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.